Here's the entry. Took a shot, had her at an angle, didn't want to try to damage the shoulder much. So I took her at an angle. No, this wasn't a gut shot or anything like that. It was in front of the diaphragm, if anybody's sitting there wondering. But that's the entry into the 7.62 by 3.9. There you go. That's the exit right there. And that's about 110, 120 yards out. Again, behind the in front of the diaphragm. So it wasn't a gut shot or anything like that. Reality. There's the entry wound right there. And as y'all can see on the inside, it is not too far back. Goes right across the lungs. That's the exit wound of the 7.62 by 3.9 Winchester Dare Season XPs. As you see, we didn't damage on these doe, didn't damage any meat, went right across the rib cage, and there you go. So if anybody's sitting there, and at the angle this was done, because at the angle that she was at, it kind of came a little bit forward on this shot. So there you are.